Hi guys! In today's video, I'm going to show you how to cut videos or clips in Adobe Premiere Pro. This is a simple task. First, open the software in your computer. Once it'll be opened, import your video from your computer to the software, which you want to cut. I will open my computer folder and will import a video in the software. And you can see I import my video. Let's zoom in a bit for better view. Now I will show you how can you cut it. For this we have two methods. The first one is take a look on the left side of your computer screen. Here you will see the icons of Adobe. From here you have to tap on this option, which is called a razor tool. Now you can see the cursor has been changed. And if I tap on a specific part of a video, then the video has been cut out into two parts. And the second way is, if I take my mouse cursor to that tool, you can see just next to his name, if you type C from your keyboard. Then you can get this tool easily, and it is the shortcut. And it was the way by which you can cut videos Adobe Premiere Pro.